What's up, everybody? What am I doing today? I'm doing a battery relocation today. Just clear up some engine space, can see the nice valve covers, can see the turbo a bit better, and I want to do a little prank. So when I go to AutoZone, ABC, O'Reilly's, Pennzoil, whatever, I want to see what they say about me missing a battery. Well, missing a battery. So that's another video, but this video I'm going to show how to do it. There's other videos how to do it, but they're missing several steps. So just watch this video and learn how to do it. Enjoy. 13mm, unscrew here, unscrew there. Then of course remove it, see what it looks like. As you can tell, this is not the battery that comes with the car, but hey, it works. Worked good in the cold weather. 725 CCA. I forgot what the old one was. 400, 500? I don't remember. Here's what it looks like. No battery right here. I guess it looks a bit cleaner. Needs a second turbo right there. That would be sweet. That would set it off for sure. Just have to follow this wire down there. Pull it under the car. Spare 2-gauge wire. That's 5 feet right there. I got another one. Need to get me some 2-gauge connectors. Connected to here. And of course, can't forget the fuse box. Got to splice that into there. I will recommend this. Every wire that you disconnect, mark it with something, so that you don't forget to put them together. You don't want to try and start the car and either fry something, or right when you connect the battery, the car tries to start. So mark it. Don't forget. Important. Make sure you connect everything correctly. Mark it. And every time I get near my exhaust manifold, it smells like a big giant blueberry. If you guys remember, I did that blueberry exhaust fuel fragrance. Yeah, it smells like a blueberry. But I'm going to cut this. All this does is go to the starter and the fuse box. Easy enough. And just yank it through. Of course, unscrew from the starter. And grab it and yank. There we go. Got the power to the starter. Now that you got your starter wire, you know you have to extend it. You slide it on there, give it some twist, and it'll get on there. And my grandfather showed me this new tool I've never seen before. And I don't know what it's called, but you get this thing, and you put this thing inside of the thing, and then crimp it on there. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it's on there. Apparently I need to do a different workout if I gotta struggle to do that. Yeah, I'm getting better at this. Got time to up the weight on those curls. No, I probably just don't weigh enough. Dang, bro, do you even lift? Lift? Huh? Oh, you mean lift. Every day, bro. That's a workout right there. Okay, now I'm done with that shenanigans. Connect the wire into the connector. Now I recommend using some shrink wrap, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just going to use some electrical tape. Alright, now slide it in there. Crimp it down. Got it. I'm not too confident, so I'm just going to That way I know it isn't going anywhere. Like I said, shrink wrap or electrical tape first and then shrink wrap. Like 300 degrees Celsius, so you know this is going to last. There we go. Next comes the painful part for some of y'all. I know some of you dudes like your car. You like your car so much, you don't want to do what I'm about to show you that you have to do. And what is that? Yep. You gotta put a hole in your firewall. And to get to that hole, you gotta cut to the soundproof barrier, pull back the carpet, and cut the soundproof barrier. Open your door. Yeah, don't ask. One of these days I'm going to do a how-to video, how to do a manual door conversion to an automatic electric door conversion. Here it is. Passenger side. Peel back the carpet. Here's the soundproof. And, well, get the cutting. Whatever you got. Cut where you're comfortable. Cut way up here or wherever. Now that's done. Drill your hole. But I need to be careful because I plan on having the exhausts coming out and down, something like that. So I don't want this wire coming in contact with the exhaust, so it's going to be near the transmission. So keep that in mind before you place your hole. So when you decided where your hole is going to be, go ahead and drill. Mine is going to be right on the curve where it goes a little to the left. As always, it's best to start with a small drill bit and work your way up to your desired hole. Next, get your battery's negative terminal. Take the wires out. Don't forget, this goes to your battery negative, and this goes to your battery negative. Get your big wire, rip it all the way through, and if it helps, label things. This hooks to the starter. You know what's next. So now you grab your small cable and a 12 gauge connector and connect and crimp. I said electrical tape first, if you can, and then the heat shrink. I couldn't slide it over all of it unfortunately, but shrink it with some heat. Alright, here's how I got mine routed. From that little wire around the fuse box, up the edge, going down over there, over here, and I have a little too much wire, which is great, and I will have it going down around the transmission. Perfect. Everything's working out great. And it's starting to rain, man. I want to go drifting so bad. Dang. Not ready yet, though. Alright, now trace back where your negative wire comes from the battery to your starter. And this is where he's splicing this little wire, where it connects to there. Alright, now you go under the car, over to the starter. And that is a 1/2. So loosen and take that off. Some cable lugs, battery cable lugs. Try and squeeze those two wires in there. Now you've got that on there, zip tie it. Make sure it won't go anywhere. and put it back on. Okay, last wire from the fuse box to the starter. Easy stuff. Just get your wire and your clip, clamp it on there, install to the fuse box, route it to the starter to where the red wire goes. This wire is black, but it is red. Okay, now you got all your wires taken care of. You want to make it look nice and neat, so put it under the carpet. Fold your seat stuff back up. You might want to get some spray adhesive. Just like it came. Don't mind that, that's from my ECU. I took it out. Then you have these panels. You can just squeeze it in there. Squeeze them in there. All the way down. All the way down. Alright guys, got it plugged up. As you see, there's no battery. So guys, I had to use that extra wire for my welding machine. Yeah, the dedication's unreal. So I need y'all to pretend that I welded down this battery tray right here. Yeah, you get the deal. Got my belt on crooked, don't worry about that noise. But it works. I hope you enjoyed. That's how you do it correctly. Thumbs up. Peace. And if you haven't seen my video on Motor Medic Motor Flush, now may be the best time. If you have high mileage, you might want to flush before it's too late. Motor Medic Motor Flush.